They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing a quick tutorial of the Marley twist, and as you can see, I'm using my the rat tail comb. I have that link in my description box, as well as the magnetic wristband. I also do have that in my description box as well. So right now I'm just creating my parts, and you can actually use any Marley hair that you wish to use, but I do have the link to the hair that I use in my description box. So just in case you want to get like the same texture as mine, but honestly I've used like many Marley twists before, so they're all similar, and they're all just nice to use for the Marley hairstyle. And the thing about this hairstyle is that you don't really have to be picky with the hair that you use, because it kind of works with any kind of like kinky hair, Marley hair, kind of thing. As you can see, I always start with braids, and we're going to be using 2 strands of the hair. So the hair came like that, just 2 strands. We're going to be using that to get the exact size that you can see on my clients. And then you're going to try to make one longer than the other on each side. So basically the left and the right side, you're going to have one longer than each other, because again, you need that like tiny strands towards the end to make the twist like tight and to make it kind of sealed towards the end, because again, we don't burn this. Of course, you're going to dip it in hot water, right? But you kind of still have to make sure that it's sealed and tight towards the end so it doesn't really unravel. So this is not like a braiding hair. This is not like, this hair is easy to unravel if you don't wrap it properly. As you can see, I do start with braiding first, and then when we're done braiding, I'm going to make sure that we have 2 even sides. So on one side, we have a longer and a shorter strands, and then the other side, we also have a longer and a shorter strands as well. And then I'm going to apply my edge control on the body of my client's natural hair and twist. And sometimes the dark hair does not really show through. It just only shows like towards the end, and maybe some parts when you're twisting, but then when you're done and you drop it down, you can't really see the black hair so much. And again, nothing hard. You're just twisting it the way you're gonna twist an Achilles twist. Again, if you want a very like tight twist, a very defined twist, you're gonna twist it that way. Keep applying your edge control and just keep twisting. But if you want like a very easy and basic and simple twist, you don't really have to twist it really tight. You have to just twist it to the point whereby it feels safe and secure. So as you can see, I'm getting towards the end, and I'm going to make a great use of my edge control, because that really does help me seal the ends. Sometimes I'll release the twist and then go back and drag it and make sure that it's twisted really, really nice. Make sure that the ends is sealed properly. I literally twist the ends with this one. As you can see, I'm done with that part. You can see the black hair, but it's not really like, very, very loud. But yeah, and I want to say about 7 to 6 packs of hair. I would say get more, again, because different hair types are different volumes are different. Sorry, I think my alarm went off, but I would say I use about 6 or 7. But I would just say get more, because different sides are different hair volume is different. So always get more than what somebody said they use, because again, it's better for you to have more than for you to not have more, because you don't want to walk around having like 2, 3, 5 braids or twists left for you to do. This hairstyle did not really take me that long. I want to say about 5 hours or less, If anything, 6 hours max. But honestly, I did not really count how long it took me, but it didn't take me long at all, and I was done. But yeah, again, I didn't burn the ends. I actually dipped this in hot water, and I also used the hair moves for these as well. But yeah, that'll be all. I can see this style is going to last about, I want to say, a month plus. But then again, it depends on how messy you like it. It might last for longer as well. Just like patch and twist, it might last for long. But then if you like the messy look or the messy vibe, it might even last for 6 months, or even at least 6 weeks for sure. But yeah, that'll be all, guys. I mean, though I do start with braids for this one, I do think starting with twists for this one would also still make it very secure. So either way goes. But I'm so used to braids, and my clients are used to braids as well. And if they want twists, I'm going to give it to them. But, for now, we're using braids. But yes, guys, thank you so much for clicking. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Until then, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
They know my story.